वेलकम बैक टू फुटबॉल पे विवाद। एंड कल एतिहाद में हुआ है प्रॉपर मैसाकार भाई। कल हुआ है मैसाकार। कल टोटनहम ने खत्म किया है मैनचेस्टर सिटी को। जो टाइटल है एतिहाद, वहां पे 4-0 टोटनहम। ओके अथर्व, दैट्स क्रेजी क्योंकि कल बारसा ने भी पॉइंट्स ड्रॉप किए। एंड यू आर चेंजिंग फ्रॉम अ टीम विच ड्रॉप पॉइंट्स टू अ टीम हु हैज गेन्ड पॉइंट्स। डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट भाई। एक मैच जीत गया तो इतना क्यों हाइप अप कर रहा है यार? राइट, इजंट इट
हाँ,
केडन इजंट इट?
हैज टू बी भाई। मैं क्या
भाई
ही
यार
बोलूं
क्या
अब।
है, मतलब यू कैन सी कि नो ट्रॉफीज वॉन, 5 लॉस किंग। व्हाट द हेल इज दिस यार, व्हाट द हेल इज दिस? सो वेलकम 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 अथर्व वंस अगेन, वेलकम केडन वंस अगेन। एंड मैं तो आज बात नहीं करूंगा, मैं कुछ भी बात नहीं करूंगा। आई एम अ न्यूट्रल, इसलिए मैं बीच में हूं। यू गाइस विल बी फाइटिंग अमंग योरसेल्व्स एंड यू guys will be sharing your views and everything. So firstly, I'll start with the losing team, Manchester City, who is wearing the jersey of Mumbai City, जिसकी हालत भी अभी आईएसएल में सही नहीं है। तो a very bad day for City and for a City fan. Kedan, go for it भाई, what did you make of the game?
भाई नंबर वन, आई थॉट कि इट्स नॉट द टीम्स प्रॉब्लम, इट्स व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन दैट द प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन आई
Stay
थिंक
humble है,
इट्स टाइम।
stay humble,
इट्स टाइम। तू रुक जा, तू बारसा चुप बैठ।
stay humble
बोलने
है।
दे, बोलने दे। हाँ। सो आई थिंक नाउ इट्स टाइम टू रिकंसिडर द टीम एक्चुअली, क्योंकि कैसा है कि वी डू नॉट हैव प्रॉपर स्क्वाड। मैं सोचा था कि वी हैव स्क्वाड डेप्थ ऐसा है, बट इट्स नॉट द केस। क्योंकि राइट नाउ व्हेन वी डू नॉट हैव रॉड्री, द प्रॉब्लम व्हिच इज हैपनिंग इज द डिफेंस इजंट वर्किंग एट ऑल। नो रूबेन डियाज इज वेल। मैं बोल चुका ये, ठीक है, कि रूबेन डियाज इजंट लाइक अ गुड प्लेयर एंड ऑल दैट, बट नाउ आई रियलाइज इज इम्पोर्टेंस, क्योंकि without him I can see the condition of City, like losing to small teams like Tottenham. Like it's not acceptable, yeah. Come on. So ऐसा है कि at this point we really need to consider that scouting thing, क्योंकि we need players now. We don't need anything else. We need players. And looking at the game, ठीक है, chances were created. Vicario had a very good game. Tottenham played well. But I think it's our problem, which is the main, highlight. It's our loss basically. It's not Tottenham's win; it's our loss. So I think we messed up. I think, and it's time to reconsider that squad. Or wo, injury concerns which are there, that is actually a problem now. So yeah,
Brother, isn't it time to reconsider the future of Pep Guardiola? हाँ
it's
brother,
not why. It's not
stay
why.
humble है
Even you know, bhai. Even you know, Pep is something else. Pep,
भाई।
remove Pep won't be a smart decision right now, at least.
Well, brother, you talked about Rodri and you talked about the Ballon d'Or winner, right? Rodri, the greatest player of current time. So before I move on to Atharva, I've got something to show to you guys, and it's just for banter, right? Don't take it seriously. So here it is. I'll put
Yes.
it up on the screen now.
अगर किसी को कहीं बुरा लगा है तो मैंने ऊपर एक फीडबैक फॉर्म रखा है, जो भी आपको लगा बुरा आप उस पर लिख देना और उस फॉर्म को फोल्ड करके फिर अपनी गांड में डाल देना, ठीक है? अगर किसी
सो या अगर किसी को बुरा लग रहा है हमारा ये वीडियो देख के, तो हम नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन है, कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें गालियां दो एंड फिर उसको रोल करके अपनी कान में डाल लो, राइट? सो सो या
कान में, right? Right.
कान में, राइट, कान में। वी आर वेरी वेरी गुड पेज, राइट? सो
Very good.
केडन, या you did make some really good points कि it is time to consider the team, to be honest, क्योंकि ये कोर रहा है for a long time, but it's time to look beyond. And also I think कि Pep has been exposed once again. And
Hmm.
जैसे सुपरमैन का क्रिप्टोनाइट होता है, so weakness krypton है, so Tottenham is obviously the kryptonite of Manchester City. You can't deny that fact. And absolutely goated performance. And also I'd like to add a line जो कि मैं ट्विटर पे पढ़ रहा था, I guess. Timo Werner made Kyle look like a walker. भाई, Timo Werner made Kyle look like a walker. So absolutely goated performance from Tottenham. I can't even understand this team anymore. ये आती है, ये सिटी के अगेंस्ट फाड़ती है, 4-0 at Etihad, फिर वो हगती भी है ऑब्वियसली पूरे सीजन. So I can't understand the team. So जब हम हगने की बात करते हैं, let's talk to a Tottenham fan जो कि obviously he has seen his team, you know, shit for years. But फिर वो जब एतिहाद जाती है, वो सिटी के अगेंस्ट आती है, तो it is a different team भाई. So Thero, what did you make of the team? What did you make of the game?
So, well, first of all, I mean, Kaden ne khud bola, Spurs is a very small team. I think that is one of the very big reasons as to why I'm celebrating this win so much. And I think injuries, while yes, they are persistent, you can't give the same reasons that you did 3 weeks ago when Spurs beat City 2-1, which was their first loss in a series of losses.
Okay, yeah.
Exactly. And it is, I am agreeing to the fact that City have had injuries, but I definitely do feel, while yes, City does not have quite a lot of squad depth, and they do not have a strength and a strengthful and a stable academy, but I think it also boils down to Pep Guardiola not willing and wishing to change his tactics from time to time. I think it's been said multiple times, leave the game before the game leaves you. I mean, I'm not saying Pep Guardiola is a bad manager. I personally do believe that Pep Guardiola is the best manager in the entire world and has been for quite a long time. But Guardiola has never had a stint at a club this long. So we really did not know, or we really do not know how good of a manager he is in the long run. I mean, he was in Barca for 5 to 6 years and Bayern Munich 3 to 4 years. And in City, he has been for 8 to 9 years, I believe. And I do feel that not changing your tactics makes your club very, very vulnerable. And yes, this is coming from a Tottenham fan who has seen his club use the same tactics for the last year and a half. But I feel like we've talked about it multiple times, how Arne Slot has made subtle changes to Liverpool. That is simply how you change a team. Subtle changes are the ways Tottenham has been managing their midfield by rotating players like Bentancur, Pape Matar, Bissouma and Maddison, and Dejan Kulusevski as well. So while yes, we did perform extraordinarily, but I don't think City fans have a very 100% or 200% valid excuse, since Kevin De Bruyne, who's also injured, came off the bench as well. So, yeah.
Bhai, you talked about Kulusevski. Bhai, prime Messi. Played prime Messi. And also, bhai, it won't be an argument if I say that Beckham was considered to be the Spice Boy of England earlier, and I personally think Maddison is the guy now. Maddison is the new Spice Boy of England, bhai. Kaden, stay humble, eh? Stay humble. Both of your City teams are not doing good in their respective leagues, bhai. Stay humble. Bhai, Haaland ko kya hua, bhai? Why did he ghost, yaar? Why is he becoming such a haunted guy? Why he's been haunting his team? Why?
Don't
Why,
know, bhai.
Kaden?
Don't know. Haaland will give him time. I
So,
think he needs
bhai,
time. So
I think you should sell Haaland to Barca now, right?
yes, and we'll take in Lamine Yamal.
No,
We'll take in
Lamine.
Lamine Yamal.
No, you guys
No,
can.
you take
You guys can. You guys
No,
can
you
go
can
for.
take Haaland.
You guys can go for Gyökeres and give us Haaland, yaar. Haaland is
Why
not
do we
doing
need
good.
We need someone from Barca, bhai.
Why do you need somebody from Barca, right? You can take Ferran Torres back. He's a City guy, man. He's a lad
We
from
don't need
City.
Ferran Torres. We need Lamine Yamal. We need
Okay.
let's
Barca,
not.
City. Let's keep it aside. Let's stick to Tottenham, bhai. So look, a good game, a great game to be really honest. Tottenham dominated City, and I'm kind of worried about Manchester City at this point क्योंकि आप 2 मैच हार रहे हो, आप 3 मैच हार रहे हो, आप 4 मैच हार रहे हो, ओके इट वर्क्स. आप 5th मैच आके अपने घर पे हार रहे हो, जो कि आपका भाई फोर्ट है, राइट? वो आपका एक ऐसा एरिया है जो कि नोबडी डोमिनेट्स यू, बट टोटनहम एक ऐसी टीम जो कि अपने पीक पे नहीं है भाई. मेडिसन was not great this season. this is arguably his best performance of the season, and maybe this past 2 seasons. Why? Maybe I'm overhyping him. Maybe this performance, I'm
Not
overhyping.
really, no. Not
But
really. This I do believe this was his best performance. He was making the right runs, playing the right balls, opening up the field of play very nicely. And I do believe, yes, this was probably his best performance in 2 years at Spurs.
yeah, and भाई, this Tottenham ये कहाँ रहती है? अगर ये खेले पूरे प्रीमियर लीग, तो I think they'll be winning Premier League, isn't it, Kaden? अगर ऐसा खेले.
Actually,
And I also
but
think कि even City fans would be happy अगर Tottenham ऐसा खेले regularly.
actually, at least we won't, at least we won't lose some
Yeah,
matches then win. सभी
yeah.
हार जाते हैं.
वही. अच्छा, एक प्रीमियर लीग की बात चल रही है, तो नाउ आई थिंक द प्रीमियर लीग टाइटल रेस इज क्वाइट क्लियर भाई. लिवरपूल के साथ ही मैच है आई गेस नेक्स्ट, सिटी का, एंड लिवरपूल इज लीडिंग
Yes.
भाई, बहुत दूर है. सो वी हैव गॉट 4 to 5 minutes before we wrap things up. I'll take your take on Premier League, who's going to win it, and at the end of the season आपको क्या लगता है टेबल किस सिचुएशन में होगी. I'd like to start with Kaden once more भाई. Kaden, you still think City can do it? Can they?
Let's always keep trusting. I always keep hoping कि हो सकता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि like as a person who supports various teams, you have to keep those calculations in. So yeah, let's hope कि हो सब. But talking logically, yes, Liverpool is in front. Liverpool first है, and they might end up winning it. So that's not anything in question. It's upon how City does, and it's upon how Liverpool. It's Liverpool's game to lose, I think. अगर लिवरपूल हारे, like Liverpool is performing bad, that's when they can lose. Otherwise, I don't think that it's under any circumstance that they can lose this, Premier League. Basically, they'll bottle the Premier League if they, lose or even come second. So yeah, I think that's not my, uh, my expertise to say who is going to win and all that, but let's hope for the best.
Okay, hoping for the best. Let's move on to the no trophies guy, whose luck has not been favoring him for so long, but कल luck favor कर गया, and luck भी नहीं बोल सकते, performance favor कर गया, right? So yeah, अथर्व, what do you make of it? And तुझे क्या लगता है कि प्रीमियर लीग के एंड में कौन जीत रहा है? Is it City? Are they going to come back, or are Liverpool going through, or
Kaden
are
ने बहुत
Arsenal
सही
coming
बोला.
back? भाई, Arsenal भी आ सकती है भाई. Can they?
True. That is a very good shout. Kaden, I think उसने बहुत अच्छे से sum up कर दिया. It's not a thing of City or Arsenal or any club, even Brighton or Nottingham Forest catching up to Liverpool. I think it's a lot more of Liverpool slipping up. That's a Steven Gerrard pun.
Yeah.
I think Liverpool has been in this situation before, but they have not been in this similar environment before, wherein other teams are performing worse than they are. Back in I think 2018-19, Liverpool were on top during Christmas, and then they bottled the league like a 6 to 7 points ka lead. Currently, they have a 5-point lead with a match in hand, which is a great thing. But I do feel this is a thing of Liverpool slipping up more than any other club catching them.
Yeah, perfectly summed up by both of you guys. भाई, you are becoming proper football pundits यार. 2-3 क्या वीडियो में आ गए भाई. You guys are talking so great भाई. You guys are, ये अपना प्रॉपर वो हो गया. वो CBS आता है ना, राइट? ये क्या बोलते हैं, थियरी आंद्री to Mika, right? You guys are speaking so great भाई. How did this change come भाई? इतनी जल्दी change आ गया. Kudos to you guys भाई. Kudos.
Reality check में लेना हम लोग.
The 5 losses actually showed me why.
Yeah, reality check मिली.
The Ipswich loss showed.
By the way, भाई,
Tottenham
City, I
was-
guess. Yeah.
Anyway,
भाई, I think we'll be wrapping up the video. Post match तक काफी मजा आया भाई record करके. I hope viewers को भी मजा आए. And subscribe to the channel once again for more content. We'll be dropping out some heavy contents regularly from now on. We'll try to be regular, obviously. And thank you, Kaden, Atharva, for joining once again. दोनों की टीमें played very well. कोई बात नहीं, Kaden. Better luck next time. सिटी हार गई, कोई बात नहीं, वी मूव. बारसा ने भी पॉइंट्स ड्रॉप किए, nothing to worry about. We move, bhai.
Yes.
Everybody knows City
So
is that club.
only one winner out of 3 in this room.
Yeah. First time, right? First time, right? So yeah, I think let's end up, and I'd like to request you guys, let's end up by saying this: stay humble, eh? Stay humble. Stay humble. Kaden, would you like to एक बार बोल दे भाई. Stay humble and we'll end up.
कमबैक के बाद है, कमबैक के बाद
एक
नहीं
बार
स्टार्ट करो मैं.
एक बार
इंट्रो में
Stay humble. एक बार
कमबैक के बाद इंट्रो में.
Okay. This City guy is not saying stay humble. I'd like to ask the Tottenham guy to say the stay humble, and I'll be ending it by.
Stay humble, eh? Stay humble.
So yeah, we'll be staying humble. Even you guys stay humble, bhaiyo. Viewers, listeners, stay humble. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and ciao.